Tamika and Tamika is she. A. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. A. She is Tamika and Tamika is me. I took an naproxen to relieve the tension. I feel so good. So no workout video tonight. Tamika is in mode. See you on Tuesday. All right, so today it is Wednesday the 25th. Yes, I am. I'm going to drink that. Leave that here. Today's my dad's birthday. So happy birthday to my dad. Take a little shot for him. Yes. All right, so this is the Pink Whitney Pink Lemonade. Okay, yes, she cute. She cute. I cute. You like my hair, boo? I know you ain't laughing. Good Lord.
You better watch them French fries. I know that.
I can't open. I can't open that.
Man, this thing easy.
It's something wrong with my fingers. All right, so how am I feeling thus far today? It is day... Dang, you had to use your mouth? See how hard that was? Yeah.
Yeah, froze up.
Oh, that's why I couldn't open it. It's not because I'm not because I'm weak. My arms. He up here laughing. How do I feel since taking my patch? I feel pretty good. The patch is still sticking to my skin. I need to hurry up because I don't have a whole lot of juice on here and only got 3 minutes of, you know, something. Yeah. So far I feel good. Like I don't really notice a whole lot of changes. I was feeling kind of hot and sweaty last night, but it's not as severe as it was before. I don't know. But far as like my mood, I think I'm more happy that I found a solution to my problem, and I realized that I do have a problem and it's being worked on. So I think that's what I'm more excited and happy about. It's really not that it's, oh my gosh, it's working, it's doing its thing. I don't know. I am a little nervous though about, you know, eating a little bit more, but because I do take the GLP-1 injections every other week, I think that will like help me out. But your girl is getting a little thick, and I can't wait to do my results. Ooh, the first is Sunday, I think, right? So I need to do my body scan on Sunday. So I'm gonna make a separate video. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna have this Pink Whitney, and we just gonna. Ooh. Goodbye. Welcome to the grocery haul, gorgeous. All right, y'all. So welcome to a Sam's Club grocery haul. Just went to Sam's by myself. It was so relaxing, so liberating without having, you know, Mr. over here getting on my nerves. But let's go ahead and get right into it, shall we? I went on ahead and just picked up some thick napkins, okay? So you get 1,200, it's 300 per pack, and there's 4 packs in here. So I just got the traditional napkins instead of the one on the roll because I feel like they, I don't know, but the hands is eating up the napkins and the booty is eating up the tissue. Okay. So go ahead and put that to the side. And yes, I went on ahead and got a big old thing of toilet tissue. So this is the Members Mark. Yeah, you get 235 sheets per roll, and there is 45 large rolls in the tissue. All right. So one of the cool things about going to Sam's Club, if you do not know, is that if you have the app on your phone, you can do scan and go. So today, Sam's Club was a little bit crowded, So I just said, you know what, let me go ahead and do my scan and go and scan as I pick up my groceries, put them in the cart, and then check out, show them my receipt, and I'm out the door. I don't have to do no line, no waiting, no none of that, because baby, the lines was long. All right. So I went ahead and picked up some protein, the strawberry Kellogg's. Now these are not good source of protein. I just like them because I like it as a snack. I don't care that it's not a good source of protein, because trust me, I got good sources of protein in the deep freezer and in the shopping haul. Next we got the cowboy steak. This is what my husband wanted. It was on sale for about $31.49. Yeah, yes. Next I got are my favorite chicken bites. These are the the Members Mark. These are grilled chicken bites, and these chicken bites is chicken breast with the rib meat, so that means they're good. Okay, so these are seasoned. To me, these remind me of Chick-fil-A without the Chick-fil-A price. Okay, these are a great source of meal prep. So when you are on the go, all you gotta do is heat these up, or put it on a pan, or put it in a deep fryer, or put it in the air fryer, put it in the oven, put on your salad, put it over a bed of rice. Honey, you got your own stuff. Okay, gorgeous. Next, I got some turkey bacon here, one of my favorite staples to have in the house. Let me put this down. All right. Another Sam's Club, another Chick-fil-A dupe is the lightly breaded chicken breast chunks. These have 23 grams of protein, 4 net carbs, and bam, these are good little snack for London to have. And here goes the waffle fries. So yes, I went on ahead and got me some Chick-fil-A dupes to put in the house. All right. Next, we have is some snacks for my daughter. Got some Rice Krispie treats. Picked up a salad, so if I want to have a Chipotle, I can have it. Yep. I do need to go to Walmart, but I decided to go to Sam's Club first. Got some yellow rice, just to take a break from jasmine rice, but jasmine rice is my fave. Okay. We got some brown gravy to put in the mix. We got some accent. Can't live without accent. We got to wake up our food. Okay. Some butter. Yep. I saw this in Sam's, so I decided to go ahead and get it. This is the lemon and herb. This is the Kinders. We're going to see what this tastes like when I put it on my chicken bites. Okay. Next, we got this big old thing of chips. So this is the Cool and Tangy mix. They always complain about what I get, so hopefully they like it. If not, that's on them. I don't care. Ouch. Next, I went ahead and got some Tide pods. I'm getting sick and tired of buying pods every week or every other week. So, yep. And this one is 4 bags with 72 pods. And I paid like $20 for it. I know we are all chickened out in this grocery haul, but it's fine, because last week when we went to Felton's meat market, my husband says, don't buy no chicken. I said, okay. So we got a bunch of little steaks, pork chops, everything. All right. So because I went by myself, I chickened it up. So I got a rotisserie chicken that I can nibble on the rest of the day. This is a great meal prep. Yes. And then I got some strawberries. So these strawberries, I can freeze these up, and I don't have to worry about not having any extra fruit to go into my smoothies. So I decided, let me keep it a little Whole Foods and get this because it'll be cheaper. Okay, so that is pretty much it with my grocery haul from Sam's Club. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, gorgeous.